Hi there, this is Traffic Angel's crew cab. This is what takes more than 4 engineers out onto our big jobs. We've put cameras on this, make sure we're safe. Come and have a look. Got a near side camera just here, which will show you, will trigger when you indicate left and give us more view down the side of the vehicle to anything that comes into there a bit late. Around the back here, we've got our rear camera situated a little bit higher than most other vans, and that gives us protection down here on our bumper where we don't have any sensors. So any of those low concrete posts or anything like that, we'll view it before we go into it. On the windscreen here, we've got a forward-facing camera that records everything that happens in front of us, of course, and you get a good view right down the road. Then we've got our offside camera here, situated pretty much exactly the same as the near side one. Now you've seen that, I'm going to go off and have a drive. See ya. Going left. Trigger left. Beautiful view. See what I mean about that extra distance that you can see? Back to quad. If this is annoying to you or your driver, simply switch off and rely on the triggers to do the work for you. We're going left here. Or if you like to see what's around you at all time, by all means turn it on. And right trigger now. This doesn't just apply to vans. It's on a camp van. You have arrived at your destination. One last reverse, I guess. So we've got back to our office and we're just going over the footage that we took from earlier. Easy to log into straight away. You can see where the vehicle was last recorded on GPS. You can log in and monitor the vehicle live on the app or via PC. As you can see, our van is out on site. You can also track the journey live. And see the precise route the vehicle has taken. This could be useful if you're parked up in a place that you don't trust, or if you just want to see where your driver and vehicle is and what they're doing. So if you like the look of our system, why not give us a call? Or maybe an email. We'll get back to you.